Hello, my name is Kelly Mendes. I am a student of chemistry class 1025 and I'm going to explain about how do acid impact your teeth. What is acid? It's a chemical substance that emits hydrogen ions into water and forms salts when combined with certain metals. The acidity is measured on a scale called the pH scale. On this scale, a value of 7 is neutral, and pH values of less than 7 to 0 show an increase in acidity. Here you can see a pH scale. The first one is acidic. If a solution has a pH number less than 7. Neutral is a solution has a pH number of exactly 7. And alkaline is a solution has a pH number greater than 7. What is dental enamel? It is responsible for covering the tooth outer layer and therefore it is most visible part. It is made up of minerals and its color is variable and its tone range from light yellow to grayish white. Tooth enamel is not the main responsible for the color of your teeth, as it is semi-transparent. Here you can see the layers of the teeth: enamel, dentin, pulp, gum tissue, bone, cement, nerve and blood vessels, crown, neck, and root. The tooth is made up of 3 main layers. The first one is enamel layer between 2 and 3 millimeters that covers all teeth. It is insensitive to pain because it lacks nerve ending and it is translucent. The second layer is middle layer. It is located under the tooth and is the main responsible for the color of the tooth. Its properties are color, radiopacity, clarity, elasticity, hardness, and permeability. In the third main layer is inner layer. It is formed by soft tissue inside which is the vascular nervous package of the tooth. How does acid affect the teeth? The layer being fruits are very beneficial for health in general. However, their excessive consumption can damage the teeth due to their high acid content. It is that certain acidic food and drinks cause the demineralization of the tooth or erosion, which has a consequence to accelerate wear of the tooth and can cause sensitivity problems. pH lower than 5.5. Kiwi contains mainly chemical citric and matric acid, depending on its stage of maturity. A kiwi's pH values varies between 3.1 and 3.96. It's a high acid food. The orange is acidic too, with a pH between 3.1 and 4.1, depending on the pieces, size, and variety. Sodas. Sodas contain water, sugar, and artificial sweeteners like phosphoric, citric, malic, tartaric, caffeine, colors flavoring, carbon dioxide, perseveration, and sodium. The most common is phosphoric acid, that is a weak acid with the chemical formula H3PO4. It is normally encountered as a colorless syrup of 85% concentration in water. The poor compound is a colorless soda, for example, Coca-Cola. Citric acid is a weak organic acid that has the molecular formula C6H8O7. It occurs naturally in citrus fruit. The other one is malic acid. It's an organic compound with the molecular formula C4H6 6O5. This is the carboxylic acid that is made by a living organism, contributes to the source taste of fruits, and is used as a food additive. And the other one is tartaric acid, that it is a white crystalline organic acid that occurs naturally in many fruits, most notably in grapes, also bananas, tamarind, and citrus fruit. Drinks that affect teeth: soft drinks, soda, sugary, and energy drinks. Their high sugar content makes them a clear enemy of the teeth. In turn, various studies have also shown the danger to the enamel of the so-called energy drinks consumed by athletes and young people. The problem with this resides in their high content of acid that cause severe damage to the enamel. For example, Monster, Red Bull, Coke, Sprite, Fanta, and others. This is how drinks, energy drinks, sodas affect your teeth. It is the acid more harmful than sugar? The answer is no. Well, the acid dissolves the acid in the tooth directly. The sugar causes cavities through bacteria. It is not the same to consume them at the time of the main meal as in a small um, amount, but continuous intakes, which increases the contact with the tooth and therefore the damage. Although it is always important to maintain good hygiene and proper brushing, it is not advisable to do immediately after taking the acidic food to avoid adding friction to the tooth. Conclusion: how can we help the enamel of our teeth? First, drink water with fluoride. This habit helps in different ways. First, part of the fluoride remains on the teeth surface, which makes them more robust against cavities. When ingested, fluoride will be present in saliva, giving your teeth a second chance to absorb it. And the last one is by choosing water over another soda, you eliminate a common source of sugar that can contribute to tooth decay. So very important is drink a lot water, less energy drinks, and brush your teeth. So thank you for listening and protect your teeth.